I remember when I was growing up and I got fantasies about being a runway slash fashion model. It became an obsession so much that I started learning how to catwalk and stand like runway models. One day my father asked me what my motive was. And my only answer then was I wanted to be known as a beautiful lady. Ah, funny, right? He laughed and told me, unfortunately, my dear daughter, you don't have the height and you are even slender in stature. Even though I knew I had the shape, that word really dampened me, and slowly and gradually my love for modeling reduced drastically. So sad. Fast forward to now, I'm still not a runway model, but I learned to channel my motives right. When I take pictures these days, I somewhat see the picture of who I wanted to be then, growing up, but not in a worldly sense, but much more glorifying God for making me and molding me the way He did. This is not to shade or downplay those models out there, but most importantly, my experience was that God changed my perspective and my motive to shift my focus from frivolous lifestyle to proclaiming Jesus with my life. Are you in that state now where you are thinking about what life holds for you? Think on the things God can do for you irrespective of your own desires. It's the one that knows what fits you best. And I can tell you that from experience. It made you in the first instance. Let Him fix your life the best way He fits. He knows your end from the beginning. All you need to do is let Him have control and give Him the Lordship. Yeah, by that, He will make you into whatever pleases, and I mean pleases Him. Let God be the anchor of your life.